Let us go with the next one. That is question number 31. 1 liter solution of magnesium chloride is electrolyzed completely by passing a current of 1 ampere. That is I is equal to 1 ampere for 16 minutes 5 seconds. So time is equal to how much? That is 16 minutes 5 seconds. The original concentration of magnesium chloride solution was, so here they are asking us to calculate original concentration of magnesium chloride, and it has been given that atomic mass of magnesium is 24. So here let us convert the time in terms of its second. So 16 minutes 5 seconds can be converted as, so for 1 minute it is nothing but 60 seconds. So when I check this, or when I convert this minutes entirely in terms of seconds, it comes out to be 965 seconds. And it has been given that we have to identify the concentration of magnesium chloride. Here we know that Q, that is nothing but quantity of electricity passed, is equal to I into T. Here the value of I as well as T has been given. That is, the value of I is 1 ampere. Time in seconds is 965 seconds, which is nothing but 965 coulombs is what? Quantity of electricity. So this is quantity of electricity passed. The quantity of electricity passed is how much? 965 seconds. We know that according to first law of Faraday's equation, or Faraday's first law, we know that W is equal to ZIT. So according to this, W is equal to ZIT, we know that W is the amount of the substance deposited. Here W is nothing but what? It is nothing but the amount of the substance that is deposited. And we know that Z is electrochemical equivalent, which is given by, we know that Z is equal to equivalent mass or equivalent weight divided by 1 Faraday. So on substituting everything, so they have mentioned with what? Magnesium chloride. So equivalent mass, we know that mass of magnesium is 24. Equivalent mass is how much? It is nothing but 24 by 2, because magnesium can gain 2 electrons, which gives rise to Mg. That is 24 by 2 divided by 1 farad. So 1 farad is nothing but how much? 96,500. If I simplify this, this comes out to be 12 by 100. This is 12 by 96,500. 12 by 96,500 it is. So on substituting everything in the above equation, W is equal to ZIT, I can rewrite it as W is equal to Z. What is Z? Z is 12 divided by 96,500 into I into T I have calculated, which is nothing but 965 coulombs. So here the overall simplification of this will lead to 965 get cancelled, which leads to 12 divided by 100. Therefore, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate concentration. That is, concentration of magnesium chloride is equal to weight divided by molar mass or molecular mass into volume, where the volume has been specified in what? It is specified in liters. So what is weight? Weight has been obtained as what? W divided by 100. What is the molecular mass of magnesium? Molecular mass of magnesium is 24. It has been given with 1 liter of the solution, which is volume. So on simplification, it is 12 ones are 12 twos are 1 divided by 200. That is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. This 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molar is given by the option A. Next one, question number 32. An aqueous solution of copper sulfate is subjected to electrolysis using inert electrodes. The pH of the solution will. So automatically here the pH of the solution goes on decreases. The pH of the solution goes on decreases, which is given by the option C. This can be analyzed by the equations. So here, when we write the chemical equations at anode and cathode terminal, when it comes to anode terminal, water present in its liquid phase gives rise to its H plus ions along with 2 electrons along with half of O2 in its gaseous phase. And when it comes to the electrode reaction at cathode terminal, I can write it as copper, which is present in its aqueous phase, has the tendency to gain electrons to form copper in its solid phase. When we write the net reaction or the overall reaction, it can be written as Cu plus 2 in its aqueous phase upon combining with water in its liquid phase, that will give rise to 2 times of H plus ion in its aqueous phase plus copper in its solid phase, along with that half O2 which is represented in its gaseous phase. Here I can tell that due to the increase, so here there is an increase in which ions? H plus ion. Due to the increase in the concentration of an H plus ion, the pH will definitely goes on decreases. Due to the increase in the concentration of this H plus ion, the pH of the solution goes on decreases. Hence the correct answer is pH goes on decreases, which is given by the option C.